Hello, I'm Christina from Dentec Safety Specialists, and today I'm just going to demonstrate and walk you through how to don and doff the new Comfort-AirNx MD reusable elastomeric respirator. While I do that, Craig is actually going to walk me through the steps so you can follow along.
So start by placing the respirator in the palm of your hand face down. You can cup the respirator on your face under your chin and then pull the head suspension over your head. And then fasten the clip behind your neck. Once that's secured, you can micro adjust the suspension on any of the tabs and then perform a user fit check, either positive or negative, to make sure that you don't have any gaps or leaks in and around the face mask. Assuming that there's no gaps or leaks, you're good to go. So doffing the respirator is the exact same process, but in reverse. You can start by removing the neck strap and then placing your hand on the front of the respirator, removing the head cradle, and removing the mask. That's it.